Okay, let's have a look at how we play this song by George Ezra. So first of all, we have got a capo on the 2nd fret of the neck. There are other guitar tutorials which show you how to play this in different positions. So you can actually play it with a capo on the 5th fret, or you can play it in an open position, open chords, but that requires you to know a few bar chords. So the simplest version for beginner guitarists, I figured, is on the 2nd fret of the capo. So the chords that you're going to need to know, fairly basic chords, they are G major, C major, E minor, and a D major. Those are the same chords all the way through. So let's take a closer look at those chords. So we've got our G major. We've got our first finger on string number 5, fret number 4. We've got our second finger on string number 6, fret number 5. We've got our third finger on fret number 5, string number 2. And then we've got a pinky finger tucked underneath on string number 1, fret number 5. And then we're going to play all 6 strings. First chord, and then we've got our C major. So, first finger is going on the 2nd string of the fret number 3. We've got our second finger on fret number 4 of string number 4. And then we've got our third finger on string number 5 of fret number 5. I'm going to play from string number 5 down, we're not going to play the top E string. And then we have got our E minor. So our E minor is 2nd finger on the fret number 4 on string number 5. We've got our third finger tucked underneath on fret number 4, string number 4. I'm going to play all 6 strings. And then we've got our D major position. So our D major is first finger on the string number 3, fret number 4. Second finger is on fret number 4, string number 1. And then our third finger is on fret number 5, string number 2. And we're going to play from the D string down, so the string number 4 down. So those 4 chords together. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So let's have a look at the strumming pattern. So I'm going. So I'm going down, down, down. I'm sort of muffling those strings on the 3rd stroke down. So down, 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 muffled, up, then down. Play along with me. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down. Right, let's put those chords together. Let's have a look. Now think about the dynamics when you're playing this. If you're playing it with a singer, for example, an acoustic guitar and a singer, you want to make it a bit more sort of dynamically pleasing. So you want to differentiate the verses to the chorus sections. Even though it's the same chords, you want to hold on to the chords maybe in the verses. Or maybe even plug individual strings if you want to make it a bit more chromatic. So. So make it your own really. So if you're doing this acoustically, I'd like to sort of vary what I'm playing. So I might be doing a bit of muffling with my palm muting. So take your time with this record, play along with the track as well. That will give you the best sort of reference on where it changes from the verses into the chorus section, into the bridge, back into the verses, those sort of things. So take your time with it. Very, very simple. If you like this tutorial, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up and that you subscribe to the channel by clicking the big red button below. I shall see you again.